still using plastic vent caps that crack in the sun or snow. Bugs get in or worse, leaks, costly repairs, and ruin trips. This all-aluminum vent cap is rust-proof, crack-resistant, and built to last with a mesh screen to keep bugs out. It's made of 3 parts, a top shield to block rain, wind, and sun, a built-in insect-blocking mesh screen, and a secure base that seals tightly to your RV roof. It comes in 3 powder-coated matte finishes, white, black, and gray, perfectly match your rig's exterior. It includes 6 stainless steel screws and leak-proof butyl tape for a tight, waterproof seal. Step 1. Remove your old crack cap. It's a chore, but with this aluminum upgrade, you won't again. Next, clean off the old sealant to prep for install. Pop off the rubber plug on top, then loosen the 2 screws to remove the lid and mesh screen. Now place the base over your vent pipe. It fits 1 to 2 and 3/8 inch pipes. If your pipe's a little tall, trim it down for a flush fit. Take the included butyl tape and line the base rim evenly around the edge. It'll help create a waterproof, secure seal. Peel off the tape's backing. Align it carefully, press down firmly, and make sure it's nice and snug. Now drive in all 6 stainless steel screws. Go, one by one, nice and tight, for max hold. Reinstall the mesh screen and lid, then secure them with the screws on the top you removed earlier. Pop the rubber plug back in to keep water and rust away from the hardware. That's most of the install done. For the final step, seal around the base and all 6 screws with lap sealant. Use the promo code in description to upgrade, stay sealed, leak-free, and road-ready.